The middle of the vertical line is the eye. The eyes. We divide this line into 5 equal parts. One, two, three, four, 5. The eyebrow is placed in this part. The hair is placed in these parts. Hair. And we divide this line into 5 equal parts. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2. Here is the nose. One, and here is the lip. Between eyes and nose, the ear is placed. Here we divide this line into 5 equal parts. One, two, three, four, 5. And here is the eyes. This is the width of the nose. And this is the width of the lips. Now we draw the jaw. Here is the neck. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel to see my other videos.